Today we are going to make 10 frame flashcards. So right now I am just cutting out the first couple just to demonstrate how easy it is, how quick it can be. You can use scissors, you can use paper cutters, whatever is easier for you. I just wanted to show off. There it is. Nice and easy. I printed this on 32-pound paper, but it's gorgeous on cardstock. And if it's on cardstock, you may not need to laminate it. I like to laminate mine so it lasts forever. But that's what we go. See you in a minute when all of them are done. Okay, so for those of us who don't favor scissors, like I said, you can use a paper cutter. Here I am with my trusty paper cutter. I'm just going to show you that you can do 2 sheets at one time, still get a nice cut. Okay, there's no guess. There's no worry of doing a few sheets and having one cut off. If you line it up nice, they will cut off nice. Great. That took, with the paper cutter, roughly maybe 5-10 minutes. So here we are, nice stack, 10 frame cards. So now what? So as I was thinking about it before, some kids may not like the feel of laminated cards. Sensory issues, sharp edges. So again, this prints beautifully on cardstock. You don't have to laminate it. It will last a while. And then you don't have sensory issues with it. And plus the cardstock, if you get a nice one, sometimes you can get a real rough finish. And that's always nice to rub your fingers across. Okay, so now we have our stack of 10 frames cards. Now what, right? Maybe you laminated them, maybe you didn't. I like to put mine on an O-ring because then I can flip them through. So we're gonna do that next. See you in a minute. All right, so now here's the fun part. We made our cards. They're in the O-ring. They're looking good. So now we're going to practice with our student, our 10 frames, right? So we can take these off of the O-ring. We can leave them on, whatever you feel comfortable with. Sometimes you have a learner that gets a little too overwhelmed by lots of cards. So no problem. Take one off, right? So here we go. Let's see if we can do this. The first group is 3 or 1. So we clip more. Right? So I can't do both things because I was only born with 2 arms. Clip more. No close. Whoops. No problem. I like to use little erasers to mark my answer. I like to use those little shiny rock bead things that you get at Michael's, or all the big box stores have them. You could use marshmallows. You can use anything that will fit in this little rectangle. So now here's the fun part. We made our 10 frames. We know how to use them. Put them on the O-ring when we're all done with them. So if you're anything like me, you're going to have half a dozen card packs laying around the house or laying around the classroom. So what's great about K&K Studios number sense cards are they're all color coded. Each different intervention card has a different color. So if you have these all spread out, say if you were also learning dice is purple, so you can easily put them all back in their designated groups and not have to be searching high and low. You can see it real quick. Also, we all love these photo boxes, right? They fit in here perfectly. Now we can put all of our 10 frames cards together, all of our dice cards, all of our dominoes cards, all in different boxes. So it's real quick and easy to find them and to use them. And one last thing before we wrap up this video. I just wanted to mention again that all of the K&K Studios number sense intervention cards come with teacher tools, okay? So you may have been sitting there with your student and you realize that they choose less for the bulk of them. Well, we can see, go down on here, a reason that they may be doing it. And then say if we need to document it, because we like to document things, here we go. Comes with its own intervention notes and next steps to fill in. Place for the student's name, the date, what you practiced, what you observed, the strengths that you observed, maybe the support needs, and then next steps and a place for your notes. So again, K&K Studios number sense intervention card. You can find it on Teachers Pay Teachers. If you like it, click that like button, subscribe. We're always looking for that. It's a brand new YouTube channel. So I finally got over myself and decided to do it. So if you're watching, welcome. See you next time.